Hello, this is MrELoans.com, bringing you some information about bank home loans in Chula Vista, California. Bank home loans are mortgages that a lending institute issues to a borrower. When a homeowner or a home buyer wants to get a loan on a property, they need to go through a bank. The bank lends money to a borrower in exchange for title on the home. This protects the bank in case the borrower stops making their mortgage payment. The bank has the right to foreclose on the property and recoup the money that they lent. Bank home loans can take on many different forms. Some are fixed and some are adjustable. Many banks also specialize in government-backed mortgages and insured mortgages such as VA and FHA loans. Depending on the borrower's financial situation and what they would like to do with the property, the bank will suggest a loan that best suits their needs. Every borrower's loan requirements are different. Borrowers may differ by their credit score, the amount of money that they have to put down, and how much money they're looking to borrow, just to name a few. Home loans require a pre-approval process. This process entails a borrower speaking with a loan officer at a bank to discuss what programs are available to them. If a borrower is trying to purchase a home, they will need to get a pre-approval letter. A pre-approval letter states the amount of money that the borrower will qualify for through the bank. This allows the borrower to know what exact price range they should be shopping for a home in. Most realtors will not even work with a homeowner until they have a pre-approval by a bank. A pre-approval on a refinance is a little bit more straightforward. Since the borrower already owns a home, an application can be taken on the borrower with less documentation required up front. Ultimately, in the end, a borrower that is refinancing will still need to provide the same type of documentation that a borrower shopping for a home will. To get a home loan, you will need to provide the lender with the following documentation: a credit report, paycheck stubs, W-2s, employment history, tax returns. If a borrower is looking to purchase a home, they will need additional documentation such as rental history and bank statements to verify their assets or the source of their down payment. Depending on what bank or loan program you choose, all the documentation or some of the documentation that we just mentioned will be required. Some banks might even require additional documentation than what we just listed. So we just went over some basic information about bank home loans and what's required in order to be able to get one. If you'd like more free information, be sure to visit our website at MrELoans.com.